afternoon. Our group had the Rebuild Globally Challenge.
Okay, so the three main problems that we face is that the teachers weren't coming to school. They haven't been to school for like a month. The second one, lack of materials. And the third one, some people live so far away from the school that they couldn't get to school properly, so lack of transportation. Our goal was to change, to find a solution for those three problems. We decided to try to fund them by getting materials. The second one, find a way to motivate the teachers to come to school and teach them. And the third one, to fund transportation.
We created a way to collect money from union school students and California students, and by making bracelet and earrings, and we can buy material and providing also everything for the student.
Well, the goals for creating this business was to find a way for us to create funds in order to purchase materials for the Rebuild Globally students so that they can have access to a better education. And it would also benefit the union school kids as well as IVA, as well as IVA students.
Well, the solution we came up with was to create a business. We were going to utilize their artisan skills of the Rebuild Globally students, the networks of the IVA students, as well as the services of the union school. And then our overall goal would be to provide funds for the Rebuild Globally students and have that work towards their education.
The union school would work with Rebuild Globally, who would teach them how to create the actual jewelry. They would then send them to our school in the United States, and we would manage the website and sell the products around our area. And 100% of the profit would go to the students.
Not only will it benefit those who want a better education, but there's some really awesome products. The students are really talented in what they make. One thing they'll be selling is earrings, like the horns, and bracelets.
To start the business, we are looking for a name with a slogan. And as you can see the logo. The name is Change, the name is Fabrication for Education. As you can see, the circle is a globe, represent globally rebuild. The heart you see inside of the globe represents the life of the groups individually.
Okay, so we're going to sell our products. We're going to sell them through our school. We're going to create a website for all of the items and at local businesses around our community.
Okay, so who's going to buy our products? We have educators, students, people invested in Haiti, and people supporting development.
The project what that we have, so we will make some bracelet. We will work with the earring. There will be a group, and there will be some beautiful.